I made this knotless braid on my 4C natural hair without gel. You heard me right, you can braid your 4C hair without gel. So this is the extension I use and I mixed it to get that. Like every knotless braid, you have to start with braiding your own natural hair, but you have to hold it firmer because you're not using gel to hold this. Then start adding your extension bit by bit, bit by bit. So guys, if you just stumbled in on my YouTube channel, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please smash that subscribe button to be a part of this amazing community. Like this video, drop your thoughts, your comments, share it with your friends and family. And to my returning viewers, I just want to say you're the real MVP. Thank you for always supporting your girl. braiding process, I usually pack my hair into 3 parts so I can be able to trim well, and I usually trim my own hair one after the other. So you're trimming this braid one after the other so that it doesn't look rough. You know, this is a loose braid and you have to trim as much as possible. Then afterwards, I carefully put them in hot water, starting with the tip before the entire body. Then I use my towel to press onto it so I don't pour hot water on my scalp. So guys, this is the final review of this hairstyle. I hope you like it. What do you think about the combination of the extension color? Will you be trying out this hair color? Will you be trying out this knotless braid? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.